a book. No, Miss Khalat gave me that book to read. I'm gonna read it, then I will talk about it.
Hey boy, stop reading that stupid book.
Please, don't say that. It's not a stupid book. We get many information from reading books. You have to love books because they are useful for our mind. How foods are good for our bodies, reading books are good for our brain.
Oh, I didn't know about that, sorry. Can I have a book to read, please?
Yes, of course. Mr. White looked.
So you see, my dear students, you have to read books in order to get information about anything that you want or you need in your life. So we have to feed our brain as we feed our body.